স্বর্ণা ওরা সবাই গেছে।
স্বর্ণা বাচ্চারা তো এই করছে, দেখতে পাই না, বাচ্চা ঘুমাই করছে।
ওরা কি খেতে চায় খাবারের ব্যবস্থা।
Hey, why are you doing the fireworks now? It's not 4th. It's not July 4th.
And when
It's not practice.
funny.
Dude, who is even controlling all these fireworks anyway?
আজকে কি রূপাইদার নামে কোন চিঠি দিয়েছে না পা?
কি জানি, আমি দেখি নাই। তোমার ধান বাড়ি যে কালকে দিচ্ছিল, আমি আর খুলিও নাই। পরে কালকে দিতে ভুলে
I
গেছি,
feel like
বুঝছো?
the fireworks are getting a bit boring now.
রূপাইদা ওই পাবে।
let's watch our
Happy New
I want to see
Year.
Cookie on a Kingdom now. Huh? Let's see Cookie on a Kingdom. You want to see,
Let's see outside.
Okay, Archer, which cookies do you want to see in battle? Just tell me which one. Well, the best
হ্যাঁ দেখা যায় আমরা দেখেছি।
I don't know. Look, I miss cookies.
না ওরা সবাই দেখতেছে। আমি বাবা বলে উঠে বাচ্চারা দেখতেছে, আমি দেখতেছি।
Okay, wait. Can I
ওরা বেশ কিছু বুঝে না, প্রবার আর রূপাইদা বুঝে না।
Can I see all your cookies? Yeah.
না আমাদের খুব ভালোই দেখা
I
যায়
have
যে ওই
6.
ওই
Don't be
ওকে
scared.
আচ্ছা আচ্ছা
Oh wait.
কুসুম খাবার আমার বাসা থেকে দেখা যায়।
No, you can't. Wait. It's just a little. I don't care. I hate her. She's so useless.
তোমরা এই খাবা না, ফ্রেঞ্চ ফ্রাই খাবা।
This is eternal diabetes. Yeah, I know.
Let's go outside. Let's see fireworks.
দেখো
I want to go outside. I want to go outside.
This is her costume. Does the costume do anything? No, they just like give looks. You can like see them in the arena like fighting and then
আজকে
you
আমি
can see them where
না এটা তোমরা ওইটা না, একটা কার্ড এটা বেনিফিট কার্ড।
আরে রূপাইদা।
Oh wait, look at there.
অলরেডি জানি না ইবিটি তো লেখা নাই।
They also have some. Look, they also have some. Where did it go? What's that thing?
So nice, right, Rufi?
এই জায়ান কোথায় রয়েছে?
I want to
I saw them already.
না দেখো আর বেশি
No, I already saw them. It's useless.
দেখো
Let's go outside.
মাথা
Let's
করছে
see.
It's
I want to
useless.
go
You think I already
outside.
saw them. Like a million
I
times.
want to go outside.
Yeah,
I want to go outside.
Oh, French fries. Yeah.
আমি করতেছি
Go
আমি
outside.
Yeah, okay, this is how this is normal. This is her epic costume. Her Majesty's and Presence and Protector of
আমি
Paradise.
যাই বুঝছো
All
দিতেছি
the
দেখি আছে
essence
নাকি
in
কিছু
her has. Like the costumes? Yeah.
Wow.
So this looks better than this.
No, don't be scared. It's just the fireworks.
Was that a star maybe? Wow. Whoa.
This one better. Yeah,
Let's go outside.
No, it's better up here.
Huh? Why does it go up and shoot you?
Like, look at her power. Good. Let's go. Compared to this, compared to this. No, it's not. It's not as simple as that perfect life. Everyone calls perfect spice perfect life. So which cookies do you want to see in battle? Maybe sugar. Maybe apple. Look, she literally said, I'll do anything for Shadow. No, you wouldn't. Would you eat for Shadow Milk Cookie?
Shadow milk cookie versus candy apple
Shadow Milk. With automatically wins. But you, because like, look at her power compared to his power. Okay, so which cookie do you want to see battle?
Okay, this one versus this one.
No, like, I can't like make it so they fight herself. I need to go, but I can't. Okay, which
This one versus this.
you don't know what I mean. Like, which cookies do you want to see to like
Fight?
no, not like fight each other, like fight together.
Oh!
Stupid.
Sugar apple cookie and shadow milk.
Candy apple cookie and shadow milk cookie?
Yeah.
Why are you saying sugar?
I don't know.
Sugar apple cookie. You're reminding me of
Let's
biscuits.
go outside.
mozzarella cookie.
Oh.
Okay,
Shit, where's French tonight?
no!
I'm not so proud.
He died! He died in a car accident.
Tomorrow, কি খাবার তাইলে?
What do you want to eat?
Something.
I want to
ঠান্ডা থাকুন।
Wait, shawarma?
ওয়াও খাইতো। আর কি খাইছো?
Okay, Archie, okay, the apple cookie and shawarma cookie. You want that? Yeah, this? This? Sure. Mozzarella cookie. I want mozzarella cookie. Yeah, mozzarella. No, I know what I mean. Like mozzarella sticks. Like there's a mozzarella. Yeah.
চিজ থাকে ভিতরে।
Yes, yes, I ate them before. Okay, this?
Yeah.
Shut up.
এখান থেকে গুড, এখান থেকে দেখো।
Dude, candy apple cookies dead. Look at her. My baba is that girl.
Yeah, she's dead.
I'm gonna show real quick. Because he's level. Yeah, because he's level 60.
Yeah, shawarma cookies carrying right now.
Will they win together? Yeah! They won. I really want black sapphire because
Wow,
also
it's
like
green!
the shadow of cookie. Yeah, because I didn't care about it much. Because I, ooh, it's a boost. Are we walking on water? That's so fun.
Can I see? I don't want
Pass. Many a snack into our city.
You can see, Rufi. Can you see?
Oh, fireworks! It's so cute.
I
You can see the nice fireworks.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, you can see the nice fireworks in here.
I really want to get this vehicle. Oh yeah, Arcia. You know how I got like the Awakened Pure Vanilla and the Shadow Milk?
Yeah.
I got them from this
Wait, how do you get?
from the Scott the Gotcha. I got them from here. I used my tickets. My faithful tickets. Faithful tickets could also be used like these. Now since I already have Passion and Sloth. They added Passion and
Should I
Sloth.
try to place this game?
I already have these two.
I want to play. Like, I feel like I'm gonna get you the button.
Oh, don't worry, I'll tell you. What should I do? Okay, other than these two, other than Abundance
Wow, circle.
and Truth and Deceit, what should I do?
Wow.
Passion and Sloth or Whistle?
Placing outside?
Yeah.
Can I see the outside?
Yes.
Can I go outside?
Not right now.
Which one should I do?
Passion and Sloth, I guess. Do you even want to do it?
I mean, yeah, because I already have these two and these two. So like,
Are you scared, Rufi?
I already have like 5 draws on this. If I get 295 more draws, I can choose this guy, this girl, or this guy. So I guess I'll
Can we see outside?
What is it
Later.
called? What's it called?
Please.
Resolution Appleby. I don't know how to speak. Yeah, I can also draw 3 draws. Okay. Imagine if I get a cookie.
Wait, is this game live? Does this game have any ads?
No.
Yay!
I haven't seen any single ad in here. Why are you so happy about no ads? Okay, Archie, do you want to see how I battle? Okay, so kill this stupid candy out.
Wow, it's a big circle.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, this is my team's pattern.
Wow, that looked like a tiara, I think.
You want to see like the animation?
Yeah.
Is it done? Is it done already or not?
I don't have to use like any. Okay, next one I'm not gonna use a single ability.
It's almost done.
Right? Because to make it out after that. Oh wow, it did in 46.56 seconds. Okay, I'm gonna not use a single. Shut up, you fairy man! Okay, I'm not gonna use a single one. Do you think I can win without using a single one?
Yeah.
Shadow Book and Perfect Light have dialogue. No, it's not really.
Lost all the fireworks, guy. Mister.
They all shut up.
Then they need to also all die.
Let's go see outside, okay?
Archie, I'm gonna win. I won. With no abilities. That's how good my team is.
Can I see outside?
Archie, do you want to see my worst
Please?
team?
Please, come
Is it all dead? Is fireworks all dead?
Shut up, you ghost keeper. Shut up.
What?
Okay, I'm gonna show you my team. So here.
Come on, make it all dead.
Okay, this is my worst team's power. Let's see if they can do this. Yeah, that definitely work. Yeah, there's no way if they do this. If they do this, I'm gonna be really surprised. Yeah, one already died. Okay. This dude, I'm surprised this. Oh my god. You see that guy, he just suffered. He didn't do it. Yeah. That was so hard! No! That was way too hard for me. I couldn't do anything.
I'm gonna ask you, I'm gonna see your turn.
I don't think it'll work like that.
Why?
Come on, please, I want to get Holly Berry. Come on, give me a Holly Berry. Oh man, I want this Holly Berry.
Oh, no, it worked.
Oh,
Where did that turn? Sure.
why is this game 12 plus? I don't know.
Some games recommendation ages is just there are views. Everyone.
Why isn't the fireworks finishing?
Curse whoever put me on sauce. Okay, I guess it's time for. Shut up.
Oh, ask my mom, I guess.
What the fart are you doing,
Oh,
people?
I'm kissing.
You kissing me?
Yeah.
That's irrelevant. It can't finish. It's
You like it, Rufi?
Can I see outside?
Okay, come.
Please, can you see outside? I want to see outside.
Say hello to video.
I want to see outside. Mommy! Mommy!
Dude, the fireworks are still going on?
Yep.
What? Dude, how long are the fireworks going on?
It's 15 minutes right now.
15 minutes? 15 minutes? It's been more than 15 minutes, actually.
Look.
It's been more than 15 minutes. Because we saw this before you.
Also, why don't you paint your nails like that? Yes.
What are you looking at? I don't know. I'm not looking. Do you want to see me fight in the arena?
Ooh.
definitely cooked. Like, look at me versus them. Okay, let's see. Meat. Wait, no, I don't want meat.
Oh, hi, Rufy.
Archie, let's see. Let's see who will win. Darkness, shut up. And everyone died except for Shadow Milk and Perfect Life. And Shadow Milk somehow revived himself. And we died. We all died. That's what happened. Oh, but I only have 2 more teams left to play. And they're both gonna win. Someone has a Snapchat cookie lucky.
Smiley face. Oh, I think it's gonna end with the smiley faces.
Oh. Is it?
Maybe. Yeah. Last time I think it did it.
I wanted to end with a smiley face.
I wanted to end with like a thank you and then
Like something like good, like something complimentary.
Yes. But yeah. Thank you
Like a compliment.
for come.
Thank you for seeing this.
Yeah.
Just for complimentary. Because I'm so stupid.
It's gonna be 20 minutes or
I
something
know.
on my phone.
Oh, I like that game. Like the marble one.
Yeah.
Because like when you're like reach down and just like spins you all around.
Yeah.
It's so stupid. And I died. GG. I died. GG. Dude, how did you tell your dragon survive? Yeah, he died. Wait, I won! Wait, Archie, do you want to see the team I did? Do you want to see what I won against? I went against a team that had 1,587,544 power. And I only had like 330 something power. Good for you. It's kind of cool, bro. Yeah, but I'm dead. I'm dead. GG's. I lost. I died. Ugly. You're ugly. And I died. Everyone died. Everyone died. Yeah, GG's.
Oh man. Close the door. Of course you did.
Yeah, because she's a fat bitch. I'll do it. Dude, when are we getting our mozzarella sticks?
Huh?
When are we getting our mozzarella?
You don't know. Rufy, turn off the camera.
Is it gonna finish? Is it gonna sussy finish?